Your closest neighbor here is an 80-acre nature preserve.
The home faces a protected Audubon Society River Park.
So the view from the front porch is trees, not rooftops.
That's something you can't find in every subdivision. Step inside and the first thing you notice is the hardwood.
Oak floors that run throughout the home. The formal spaces sit at the front of the house,
framing that preserved view.
The family room is anchored by one of the home's 3 fireplaces. The kitchen opens to the living space, keeping whoever's cooking in the middle of the conversation. There's room here for the everyday breakfast rush and the holiday crowd alike. With 6 bedrooms and 5.5 baths, there's flexibility most homes can't offer. The owner's suite is less a bedroom than a private wing. A separate sitting room, currently set up as a gym with its own sauna. Attached to the primary bath is a custom walk-in closet and a second laundry. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms, and here's the detail that matters. Every single one has its own bath. No sharing, no morning traffic jams. Downstairs, the terrace level is fully finished. A whole additional floor with another kitchen. A pool table, game room, and a craft room. The media room is complete with hidden surround sound and a projector. It's move-in ready, not a same-day project. Out back, a level, fenced, 1/3 of an acre lot. And the question every buyer asks, can we add a pool? Our lot has been pre-approved. And if you want to swim today, Rivermoore Park's amenities are a 300-foot walk from your front door.